So what is that you're looking at, you may ask? Well, we are gonna use 16mm film? 16mm film to try and capture our own imprint of the film grain, of flares, of things like that. Okay, so that's cool and all, but what do we really need to make this happen? Well, first off, you need a film camera, a black background, and someone who knows how to shoot film. See, what is this little camera real quick?
This is a Keystone A6 or A12, which is from about like 1965, I think.
I bet when they made this thing, they wouldn't think that it was going to be used in the year 2019. So what's happening right here is that since there's no image for the film to actually capture, it's just going to be capturing blackness.
See the meter there, how much film is left?
So instead of a picture coming up, we're just going to be seeing the grain and the natural artifacting of the film. Now, using programs like After Effects or Premiere Pro, we can actually take that blackness and just tell the program to ignore it completely, leaving us with a clean overlay of a film burn, kind of like this. Or film grain, like this.
Each roll is 3 minutes long, estimated of running time, and we have about 15 rolls.
So 15 roll, we have 1,500 feet of film.
Yeah.
That's a fair amount.
It's a fair amount.
I also want to note this isn't the actual film burn and film grain that we made here. That stuff actually hasn't come back from being developed yet, but this is an example. I'll make a follow-up video so you guys can see the actual burns and grain that we created in this video. So right here, he's keeping a log of the film. This is actually a really important step that I didn't think about because I've always shot on digital. So with film, you can't just plug it up to a computer and see what you shot, you have to remember what is on every single reel while you shot. And because he doesn't just shoot film recreationally, he shoots film in his actual workflow, it's really important to keep track of which film rolls are for our burns and our grain and which ones are for actual shot gigs. That's wicked.
There's still some left.
Now, interestingly enough here, the meter on the outside of the camera was actually inaccurate, so there was still some exposed film when we opened the camera. So this film bit right here that is still exposed and has to be wound through the camera is going to have some crazy looking visuals on it because it was exposed to light while not through a lens, just through the open air.
This one, I believe I already burned out, but we'll double expose it.
So double exposure, what he just said, is essentially taking a roll of film that's already been exposed and, of course, exposing it again. It's just like taking two videos and overlaying them over one another. Only in this case, it will usually end up twice as bright because film is picking up light every time it's exposed. Also, I want to note real quick, the DMS shirts, there's only 4 days left on those at the time I'm posting these videos, so if you want a DMS shirt, they're only going to be available for 4 more days. So check out that link, it's in the video description.
See what that goes.
So yeah, that was fun. If you guys like this video, please leave a like down below and a comment letting me know what you want to see in the future. I'm going to be experimenting with some interesting film stuff, I think. I don't know, I'm still not entirely sure of all the different types of content I want to try, but I'm going to be trying them anyway, because why not? So, if you guys want to help support the channel, the Patreon is linked in the video description, and don't forget to stick around and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Until the next one, guys. Peace.